Hey guys, my name is Marissa Janakis and I'm bringing you your WOD video for Thursday, July 17th. And today I'm going to talk about putting your belief into action. Now the first step is the belief. We know that there's many things that we believe in, and we have to have the idea, the concept first, and conceive it before we go out and put anything into action. Now you can believe in this company, you believe in the products, you believe in your purpose, you believe that Avocare is the vehicle that is going to get you to where you want to be. And before we can take that action step, we have to truly believe in what we're saying. We write them down, we hold ourselves accountable for them, we read them out loud multiple times a day, because you can't take action on something that you don't believe in. And so we repeat them to ourselves over and over so that we truly do believe in what we are saying. And now the next step is putting that into action. You can repeat your belief over and over and over to yourself all that you want, but it's not going to do anything unless you go out and make it happen. If you don't share that with others, nobody else is going to know what that is that you believe in. If you truly believe that Avocare is what is going to bring you home to your kids or what is going to retire your husband early, you have to share that with others. Because, having that between you and your husband, that's great, but that's not going to make a difference. You're not going to go out and actually bring him home by just repeating it to yourself. And while that is a very important step, you actually have to go out there and take action for that. So, you can say, I'm on track to make $1,000 by, in the next 6 months. If you're not actually sharing that with other people, that's probably not going to happen. And I also want to apply this to Success School. You have heard so many times about get to Success School, get to Success School. We can't describe the things that are going to happen there, everything that you're going to learn. You're going to get these tools, the knowledge, everything you need to be successful. But if you just sit back like a sponge and soak it all up and don't go home and, wring yourself out and share with others everything that you've learned and be excited, it's not going to make a difference. You have to actually apply these things that you learned. Now that you have the belief, you have to share that with others and help others see what you see too. Because just sitting back and not doing anything is not going to get you where you want to go. Yeah. And, so that's just like everything else in this business. You can learn all these great things, get on all these calls, take notes, read the notes over to yourself every day out loud for a year. It's not going to make a difference if you don't actually go out, talk to people, share with others what you're learning, what you're hearing, where you're going, and putting those beliefs into action. So this is just really short, but that's really all I have to say. Just go out there and talk to people, share with others where you're going, and truly get into action, because we're in a 3-week pay period now. This hardly ever happens, and don't use it as a time to take a week off, take a few days off. No, get into action now. Start talking to others, and just imagine where your business is going to be at the end of this 3-weeker going into Success School if you actually get into action and treat every day like it's the last day of the pay period. So get out there and have a great day. Bye, y'all.